was that? Like I said, that is what I was talking about.
The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for east central Shenandoah County in northwestern Virginia, western Warren County in northwestern Virginia, northeastern Page County in northwestern Virginia until 7:15 p.m. At 6:31 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Woodstock, moving east at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damaging winds will cause some trees and large branches to fall. This could injure those outdoors, as well as damage homes and vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by downed trees. Localized power outages are possible. Unsecured light objects may become projectiles. Locations impacted include Front Royal, Morristown, Fort Valley, Kings Crossing, Compton, Seven Fountains, Dilbeck, Riverton, Carl, St. David's Church, Glen Echo, Bentonville, Browntown, Buckton, Riverside, and Rileyville. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning.
Now do you see why I told you that happens?